quick and short how to log into PHX, and then more importantly how to log out of PHX at close of play. You would open your browser and you would go to the PHX login page, and then you input your username and the password, and you log in. You would then carry out the activities that you wanted to on that particular day, doing everything that you want to do, and then when you're ready to, you log out. And you do that by going to the top right hand corner, and next to your profile button, which is here, you have the red logout button, and when you click this you'll know that you've logged out, as I am now, because you arrive back at the login page at that point to being able to do it. That's how to log in and log out of PHX. Thanks.